Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I label and organise my camera gear. First you need to decide which method of labelling you are going to be using. So the first option for labelling, you can use a label printer. You can pick these up quite cheap in the UK, I got mine for £15. It works great, it comes with 4 metres of tape, which is plenty enough to start labelling. Or you can just cut out a piece of paper out of an A4 sheet of paper and tape it to your possessions. I do this for my hard drives and it works great by doing the old method, just using a bit of paper and tape. So now you decide your methods, you need to decide what you want to label. If you're labelling up your camera gear, label your lenses. I always label my lens caps because I chuck all my lenses in a camera bag. When I'm on a shoot, I need to grab a lens and quickly put it on. So all of mine are labelled. It just makes it so much easier because all the lenses look just black in your bag. You need to find which one to get at which time for what sheet. And the most important thing you could possibly label for any camera gear, or quite a lot of gear actually, it's just label your batteries. Make sure to label your chargers. I even label my plugs which go into the chargers, and then label all of your batteries twice, one on the bottom and one on the top, so you can quickly reach them, chuck them in your camera. You know how many you've got and which are fully charged. It just makes life a lot easier when you're out on a shoot. A lot of people like to label their positions with their company name. So for instance, I could label it with my name and my phone number if I wanted to. For instance, I might do this with a GH5. But if you're not a production company, you can just label the gear so it's easier for you to remember what's what. And then you've labelled the main thing, which are your lenses and your batteries. You can go over the little items, so the miscellaneous stuff. Like I label my audio gear, that comes in handy sometimes if I need to grab a special aux cable, or my Zoom H1, or a microphone like I'm using a shotgun mic now. They're all labelled out for easy access. So the key here is, if you want easy access, just label it. You can use a label printer, you can use a method of just tape and paper. It's great and it helps you use your gear more efficiently, more quickly, and just save you a lot of time and frustration really. I've been labelling my gear for about a month now and it makes it so much easier. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like rating, click subscribe if you're new, and guys, I will see you on Monday with a new video. Bye guys.